one is the smallest and this one is the, so I'll pick the small. Hello guys, good morning. Today is Friday and before tayo punta sa trabaho, magluto muna tayo ng pancake. Time check is 6 o'clock in the morning. So, unta ka mo karon, nang mata na pud mo karon kung asa mo karong lugara nahimutang gipangbutang sa Ginoo. So manghugas sa ta kay gabi nakaturlog jud ko og sayo. Unya why nang hugas dire. So ang inyo ang tiglingkod manghugas sa. Nangatulog pa ang akong duha ka hari. So ang Rayna manghugas kay mao may ning mata og sayo. Hindi ka lang unta ko dapit manghugas. Mag-pancake sa ta guys. Nagpunya pa unta ko dapit manghugas. So hugas na lang yun ta. Mao ni mong kinabuhi diri guys. Mao ni akong kinabuhi sa Amerika. Sayo mong mata aron magkara-kara sa kusina una mo trabaho. Why nang hugas? Naragali ang pusit sunod sa kuwan. Unay ra kaayo ang pusit why nang hugas. Pero sa buhol sun kaya kay ang tubig usahay dili mo kuan ang tubig. Dili mo agas ang gripo usahay sa Pilipinas. Dito sa amoa ba? Unya human naman taog panghugas, bagi mo taog pancake. Yan. My favorite bowl. Gawa muna tayo ng pancake sa madaling araw. Masarap ang pancake. Gustong-gusto nila yung pancake. So magpa-pancake muna tayo sandali. Ito ang harina namin guys, oh. Ito, bibili kami ng ganito, mga all-purpose flour lang ito guys. 10 pound. Ganun, no? Ito ang ginagawa kong pancake. Of course, dito sa pancake, lagyan natin po ng sugar. So, lagyan din natin siya ng vanilla extract. So, lagyan natin ng itlog. Dalawa ilagay natin. Dito naman guys, lagyan natin siya ng baking powder. Ito ang ginagamit ko guys. Baking powder. So So dito po naglalagay ako ng 2 teaspoon. Yeah. Teaspoonful. Kasi parang magpa-fluff yung fluff yung ating pancake. So, lagyan natin siya ng banana. Ayan. Dahil lactose intolerant si Mr. Pwede naman natin itong lagyan laman ng tubig. Mag-a-add tayo ng tubig. Dahan-dahan yung paglagay ng tubig kasi parang hindi siya masyado lasaw. Ayan. So sa texture na ito, pwede na itong itansya natin ng electric mixer. Pag ganito na. So, meron tayong leftover na salabat ni Mr. dito. So, iinit muna natin yan. So, naka-ready na yung ating gagawin ng pancake. Mag-ano na tayo. Good morning! It's Friday today. Yan guys, ang view namin sa bintana. Ayan.
And I love you, my husband, or something like that, maybe.
Yeah.
Mm.
I make pancake for you.
Mm.
Ay!
This is what I go through every day. I
I'm
get a punch in the eye.
I'm sorry. At least I make a pancake
You
for
laugh, and then you say I'm sorry.
That's Filipino thing.
Oh my goodness.
So at least I make pancake for you.
Yes.
Ala, size medium na. Mamaya pa ako papasok. Pasok ako 7:30. Yun. Kapag nag-workout tayo guys, luluto mag-workout na tayo. Ha? Kainin ng kaha. Ganito tayo guys tayo. Dapat ay daw si Enis na kanilang kaha. Ayan guys. Yun. Hindi lang malaki yung braso ko ah. Hindi na. Wala na oh. Sa Pilipinas, hindi talaga kami nag-workout. Diyos ko po guys. Walang workout sa Pilipinas. Kasi ang init-init. Ayan. Sarap to guys. Homemade pancake. Yan guys, oh. Fluffy pancake. Ayan. Si Gina Mauricio I remember, sabi ni Gina Mauricio, did you practice to be exotic dancer? Yes. Yes. If everyone allow, pwede kaya akong magiging exotic dancer? Sinong sasama sa akin? Oh, diba? Ay, naku, maaga pa. Huwag kayong pa ano-ano ha kasi Friday ngayon. Baka kayo ay gagawan ko kayo ng pancake na pinakamalaki. Ito. Yan. Yan. Yan pancake. Yan. Tingnan nyo. Siya nga pala po yung mga exercise ko po. I'm only doing my exercise po. Yung mga dancer, yung mga dancer na ginagawa ko po. That is only exercise purposes. Kasi pag hindi tayo nag-exercise po, I'm guarantee, if you are not moving, it's guarantee, our body will be out of shape. So, anything you can gain out of what you are doing, any moves, any steps, you will lose calories. So, this is what I do. This is a good vibe tayo guys, good vibe. So, ayan, tapos na tayong mag-pancake po. Ang daming pancake natin po. Yan, we're done making pancake. Ayan po ang pancake natin guys. So, of course, sinong kakain ng pancake? Si Mr. Ayan, pancake niya yan. Pancake natin. Ayan. Oh, diba?
This is like, but so you paid $100 for Alabama and didn't even spend the night. I'm out of here.
Kupiko tayo guys. So, what can you say about my pancake that you're done eating?
It's good, but it doesn't take away the pain in my eye.
What happened to your eye?
My wife punched me.
Magkape muna tayo guys. Kopi ko ang gamit natin guys. Kopi ko from Philippines. It's funny because you're gonna have a black eye and you're gonna be look like a raccoon. I'm looking forward to it.
Who's responsible
Ayan,
for that?
oh. Tindog-tindog mo na yan. Tayo yung buhok na to. That one is okay.
Oh, okay.
It's okay as in all right. So, magkakape muna tayo guys habang tayo ay we have 5 minutes na lang. 5 minutes magko-coffee tayo. Kasi pagdating ng trabaho, busy na naman. It's 7 o'clock. So, darating ako doon. I will get to work like 7:30 or 7:40. Ay, yung pancake ko. So, this one is the smallest and this one is the... So, I'll pick the small. So, this one. Oh, yeah. So, everybody should learn how to make pancake at home.
For their husband.
For the husband.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right. Don't worry about your eyes. You have one eye open, one eye good for you.
Mm-hmm.
You have 2 eyes, so one doesn't damage. Yeah. My husband knows how to cook. Guess you would not have to know what kind of cooking he likes to cook when we just met. He likes to cook favorite chorizo and egg. And I miss those cinnamon toast. Hey, my husband can cook. I can't believe it.
You have to deal with your husband.
No, you have to deal with your wife, and I have to deal with my husband.
Woo!
Ay, Diyos ko guys. Thank you guys for watching for our vlog for this morning. Babush! Until guys next time. Bye-bye.